Howdy everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Always good to have you here. Or if you're a first-time viewer, welcome to you. All right, so in this video, we're going to go over the proprietary firms that were essentially leading the way throughout March and what prop firms stood out in our eyes as some of the best in the industry. So we've taken all the data, we've compiled these firms into a list of top 10 for the month of March, and that's what we're about to dive into in this video. Now we do this every month, and this month's rankings are based on our personal experiences with these companies, as well as considering feedback from the broader industry, community. As always though, do your own due diligence when you're looking into a prop firm. This is from our perspective. Now this is not going to be a 10-hour long video. We're not going into depth with all these firms. I'm just going to give you a very brief overview of each firm, hopefully give you an idea of what they are individually bringing to the table. Just so you're aware, all our in-depth reviews on each prop firm are listed on our website and on the YouTube channel here, so go and check those out. Before we dive in, as always, make sure you stick with us right until the end of the video. We do have a set of exclusive discount codes from all of the featured firms that we cover today that I'm sure you won't want to miss. So let's jump into our roundup of the top 10 proprietary trading firms for March 2025. All right, kicking off our list for March at number 10 is Blueberry Funded, a rising proprietary trading firm that launched back in August of 2024. They're founded by Dean Hyde and they're based in St. Vincent and the Grenadines. And the firm has quickly earned respect across the trading community, mainly thanks to its flexible funding models and very strong community backing. Now, traders can choose from 3 funding options. There's a traditional 2-step evaluation, a 2 different streamlined 1-step challenges, as we can see here. Now, like I mentioned, we're not going to go in depth with all the accounts on this video. Going to keep it very broad, but you can see the account sizes starting from $5,000 all the way up to $200,000. There are scaling plans available, so you can grow your capital organically over time. And really what's helping set Blueberry Funded apart is their partnership with Blueberry Markets. And that's their own brokerage providing access to authentic market conditions. In terms of trading platforms, so traders have the choice between MetaTrader 4, MetaTrader 5, and DXTrade, which is an intuitive in-house platform tailored for smoother and more customizable trading experiences. We're going to keep it very broad, as I said, so let's jump on over here and look at the broader community sentiment. Now, I preface by saying that not everyone on the internet is here for, to be positive, so take the good, the bad, and everything in between. Impartially go through, do your due diligence, have a look, make sure there's validity in these comments. But overall, as we can see from a fairly healthy amount of reviews since their time in the industry, most of the sentiment is very, very positive. As always, do your own due diligence. But overall, Blueberry Funded, they're building quickly and building a strong community off the back of their what they're offering. Let's move over to number 9, which is City Traders Imperium for the month of March. So City Traders Imperium, they're a very well-respected name in the prop trading space. They came into the industry over 6 years ago, back in July of 2018. They're based out of Dubai, UAE, and they've built a very strong global reputation for its trader-focused approach. They offer 4 different funding programs here, so really accommodating for a variety of different trading styles, experience, risk appetites. So these include a 2-phase evaluation, a 1-step evaluation, and 2 different instant funding options. So again, you've got choice and flexibility to choose the path that suits you best as a trader. Accounts starting as low as $2,500 and all the way up to $100,000, with scaling opportunities available to support consistent growth and capital development. Now, the firm partners with a tier 1 liquidity provider to deliver realistic market conditions that ensures traders operate in an environment that closely mirrors live market dynamics. And for platforms, traders can access MetaTrader 5 and MatchTrader, both platforms equipped with all the advanced tools you need for trade execution and overall performance. Again, we're going to keep this very brief. We're going to have a look here at some testimonials on Trustpilot here. So we can see they've got a fairly substantial amount of reviews, very healthy median score. So overall, the reviews are very positive. Once again, go through, do your due diligence. There's some negative ones for every single prop firm that we go over. This is important for us to look at, is the team actually responding and reaching out where possible, which City Traders Imperium is doing a really good job of. So they're coming in at number 9 for good reason. They've been in the industry a long time, and they're continuing to be one of the leading players in the space. All right, coming in next, that 8th spot for the month is E8 Markets, a very forward-thinking prop trading firm with a lot of track record and history. They were founded back in November 2021. They're headquartered out of Dallas, Texas, and they have quickly become a favorite among traders for its wide variety of funding programs and user-focused features. Now, as we can see, the firm offers a 2-step evaluation, a 1-step challenge, and 2 unique 3-step programs, all designed with customizable drawdown limits and profit splits. So you can really tailor it based on what you're looking for in terms of your personal risk tolerance and your trading style. Account sizes, as we can see here, range anywhere from $5,000 all the way up to $500,000, with further scaling plans available to support long-term growth. E8 Markets, they ensure high-quality trading conditions. That is through their partnership with a Tier 1 liquidity provider and virtual markets. Now, this delivers seamless execution, realistic market behavior. And as for platforms, you have a plethora of options, so you can choose as a trader between MetaTrader 5, MatchTrader, TradeLocker, and CTrader. All of these platforms, as you know, are equipped with all the tools you need to go in and empower strategic trading decisions. Once again, go through, have a look at the website, do your own due diligence, but overall, E8 Markets doing some great stuff. We've done in-depth reviews on them as well. Let's jump on over here to Trustpilot and have a look at the broader community sentiment. So over the last few years, they've gained quite a number of reviews, over 2,500 at the time of recording. Once again, the overall sentiment is very, very good. Doesn't mean everyone's going to be positive, so go through, do your due diligence and have a look. I'm always skeptical about some of these negative ones, but again, worth taking into consideration. But go through, have a look, do your due diligence. But overall, from our experience, E8 Markets, one of the leading players in the industry. All right, moving on to number 7, which is going to be FXify for this month. Now, FXify, they're a well-established prop trading firm at this point in time. They came into the industry in May of 2023, so nearing the 2-year mark of inception. They are headquartered out of London, UK, and they've gained a lot of recognition for their versatility and trader-first approach. They offer 4 funding options, which is going to suit various different trading styles and preferences. So those are going to be a 2-step evaluation, 2 different 1-step evaluations. We also have a 3-step evaluation and an instant funding program with account sizes ranging anywhere from $1,000 up to $400,000, depending on the actual program that you're working with there. FXify, they partner with FXpig as their brokerage provider. They do also have scaling opportunities built in. And in terms of technological standpoint, from a platform, MetaTrader 4, MetaTrader 5, so traders can access probably the leading platforms in the industry. So with its combination of flexible funding programs, the top tier trading technology, FXify does continue to be a really, really solid choice for traders who are looking to either begin their journey into trading, refine their skills, have long-term potential, grow their accounts. All of the above, FXify is doing a really, really good job in. You can check out the website here in your own time. We're going to jump on over to Trustpilot and have a look at the broader community sentiment. So quite a number of reviews over the last few years as well. Very good sentiment. Go through, take a look. Overall, a lot of 5-star reviews. Again, look at the good, the bad, and everything in between. But this is something that I really like to look at, which is the response from these negative ones. So I like that the FXify team jumped in and clarified that. And otherwise, looking really good in terms of market feedback. And that's why they're firmly on our list for this month as well. All right, coming in next for the month is FunderPro, a very reputable prop trading firm founded back in February 2023 by Gary Mullen. They're known for their trader-centric approach. They offer a selection of funding programs tailored to meet a really wide range of experience levels and trading goals. So traders can choose from 2 different 2-step challenges and a 1-step evaluation, with account sizes ranging anywhere from $5,000 to $200,000. There is built-in scaling opportunities into the program so that you can increase your capital as you demonstrate consistent performance over a period of time. Also, in order to deliver a seamless and very stable trading experience, as we kind of go down here on the page, FunderPro, they partner with a Tier 1 liquidity provider. And this ensures reliable execution and authentic market conditions. And from a tech front, traders have access to TradeLocker and CTrader. So both of those platforms have all the advanced features and tools that you need to go and have success within the industry. So with lots of flexible programs, commitment to high performance tools, FunderPro is standing out as a very compelling option for traders aiming to begin or scale efficiently. I know I'm keeping this very broad and brief, but we're going to jump on over here to the Trustpilot and have a look at the broader community sentiment. Once again, very good overall median score. Not as many reviews as some of the ones we've already covered, but overall the sentiment is very, very good. So once again, we'll have the links here for all of these firms. So go through, do your due diligence, have a look. But overall, the sentiment in the industry is very good and for very good reason. All right, coming in next is Top Tier Trader, a top tier platform and prop firm in the industry. They've been around since October of 2021. They're based out of beautiful Miami, USA. And the firm has gained widespread recognition for very strong leadership and a progressive mindset. Now, Top Tier Trader offers two funding options. They have a two-step evaluation and a one-step evaluation, as we can see here. This gives you a bit of flexibility. You can tailor these. They're a little bit different. Go and have a look at our in-depth review on the differences in these programs. But otherwise, they do have account sizes ranging anywhere from $5,000 to $300,000. They can also have customizable add-ons, so scaling opportunities. You can really tailor your program to best suit your particular trading style. To ensure a smooth and reliable trading environment, Top Tier Trader partners with a liquidity provider as well, and that's offering simulated real trading conditions. The firm supports the Trade Locker platform, which is packed with features and tools to help traders refine their strategies and boost your overall performance. So once again, combination of flexibility, innovation, solid infrastructure makes it a really strong contender for traders aiming to progress in their career. Let's have a look here at Trustpilot and the broader community sentiment. Over 4,000 reviews at the time of recording, maintaining a really solid overall rating. So go through, take a look. There's some good, there's some bad, everything in between once again. But that's all worth having a look at. So go through, take a look. But overall, we see Top Tier Trader as being one of the top prop firms in the industry. All right, coming in fourth spot is FTMO, one of the most respected names in the industry, founded in September 2015. So very exciting 10-year anniversary coming up this year. They're based out of Prague, Czech Republic, and they are widely recognized as a pioneer in the prop firm space. Now, they offer a single, very well-structured funding program built around a two-step evaluation process. Traders can choose from account sizes ranging anywhere from $10,000 to $200,000. There's optional scaling opportunities available as well to support long-term growth, capital, performance. To ensure realistic and professional trading conditions, let's skim down a little bit here. There we go. So FTMO, they partner with a tier 1 liquidity provider as well for their brokerage services. And when it comes to trading platforms, you can trade with MetaTrader 4, MetaTrader 5, CTrader, and DXTrade. They also support customers and the programs in various languages and currency pairs, and currencies rather. So that's a really cool feature from FTMO. Very clear funding structure, extremely strong reputation, great support structure, advanced tech infrastructure as well. So they continue to be a top tier choice for serious traders around the world. Let's jump on over to Trustpilot and see if the broader community agrees. At the time of recording, over 21,000 reviews and maintaining a near perfect overall rating would tend to indicate that they are doing something very, very well over a long period of time. So let that speak for itself. I think we all know, if you've been around the industry for a little bit, that FTMO is one of the leaders in the space. All right, coming in number 3 for the month is Funding Pips, an innovative prop trading firm founded in August 2022. They are based out of the United Arab Emirates. And since that time, they've quickly gained recognition internationally for a very modern approach and trader-friendly structure. The firm offers a diverse lineup of funding programs, which is going to include a 2-step evaluation, 1-step instant funding option. There are a couple of limited time ones here, so we'll see if they stick around or if it'll truly be for a limited time only. Otherwise, account sizes are ranging anywhere from $5,000 up to $100,000. You do have scaling opportunities in place in order to grow your capital. To maintain authentic market conditions and smooth execution, Funding Pips, they partner with a tier 1 liquidity provider. And this ensures that you have realistic market conditions. On the technology front, traders have access to a plethora of trading platforms, including MetaTrader 5, MatchTrader, and CTrader. To check the notes here. And all those platforms are designed for optimal performance and precision. So again, flexible programs, strong tech stack, global momentum. Funding Pips has certainly solidified its position among the top prop trading firms in the industry today. Let's have a look at the broader community. And once again, similar to FTMO, over 20,000 reviews and a really, really solid overall rating. So that kind of speaks for itself as well. Don't go through and read 20,000 reviews, but certainly go through and do your due diligence. But overall, the sentiment, very good and for good reason with Funding Pips. All right, coming in second position for the month is the 5%ers, a very well-established prop trading firm that's been a staple in the prop trading industry since January of 2016. They are based out of Israel and London, UK, and they've earned a strong reputation over the last 9 years for great structured programs and a global presence. Now, they have a diverse range of funding programs, including a 2-step, a 3-step, as well as a direct funding option for those who want to skip the challenge altogether. And traders can select account sizes ranging anywhere from $5,000 up to $250,000 with scaling opportunities as well. So really you can select what makes the most sense for you. They do provide direct market access through its partnered broker. And this is supported by a tier 1 liquidity provider as well. So you can execute your strategies using MetaTrader 5 as their leading platform, which has all the robust features that you need. So look, the 5%ers, we've done in-depth reviews on them. We're not going to go into another one. Go and check it out. This is what we're going to have a look at here, which is the community sentiment around the 5%ers. And look, nearly 15,000 reviews, a near perfect score. So again, that's going to speak for itself. As we've seen with the top firms that we've mentioned on our list here, the broader community sentiment, the comments, the reviews, they do really speak for the quality of the prop firm themselves. So once again, the 5%ers coming in at the right end of our monthly best 10, and that's why they're in second position for the month of March. And let's move on to the gold medal position for the month, and that is going to be Funded Next. So Funded Next, they're a rapidly growing, yet at the same time very well-established prop trading firm that's been in the industry making their mark since March of 2022. They are based out of Dubai, UAE, and they're emerging, if not already, as a dominant force in the prop trading landscape. Now, the firm offers quite a variety as well of funding programs, including 2 different 2-step evaluations and a 1-step evaluation. Account sizes ranging anywhere from $5,000 up to $200,000. Every program includes scaling opportunities for long-term growth as well. In terms of platforms, you can see here that you can work with MetaTrader 4, MetaTrader 5, CTrader, and MatchTrader. So you've got all the cutting-edge tools and support for different trading styles as well. So look, they've got a diverse range of funding program options, account sizes, great trading platforms, very feasible objectives to go and get funded, scalable programs, industry-leading technology. They're on the top spot for a very, very good reason. If you're someone who's worked with Funded Next, we'd love to hear your input in the comments. But overall, everything that we are seeing them do is phenomenal work. Let's jump over to Trustpilot and see if the broader community agrees. Now, with over 30,000 reviews, they're certainly gaining a lot of attention and a big community, which you'd expect from one of the leading players in the industry. And the sentiment from that many reviews is phenomenal and really reflects the quality of services that they're providing. As always, go through, do your due diligence, take a look at the comments, but overall, very, very good. And that is why Funded Next is consistently on our list. They're consistently at the forefront of the industry, and they're taking out #1 spot for the month. Well, that concludes our March ranking of the top 10 prop trading firms for the month. Again, this is based on our first-hand experiences with these companies and what they've been doing in the industry lately. Now, if any of the firms that we covered here on this video piqued your interest, we really encourage you to look at our in-depth reviews available on our website and the channel here. As I mentioned earlier, you can find direct links to these reviews in the description, along with, as promised, the set of discount codes for each prop trading firm that we went over today. So if you want to work with any of these firms, make sure you get your hands on those first. And don't forget as well, make sure you share your feedback, or if you have a different perspective, we wouldn't be offended, on any of the prop trading firms that we mentioned. We always love to hear your input, guys, so jump into the comments below. And hey, if you found this video insightful and hopefully enjoyable, consider subscribing to the YouTube channel here if you haven't already. And by doing so, you'll receive updates when we release not just more videos, but making sure you're in the know about the proprietary trading firm industry. As always, we appreciate your viewership. Happy and successful trading, and I'll see you on the next one.